Hi, I'm Sai, and today I'm going to be reviewing these Parissa Face and Bikini Quick and Easy Wax Strips for removing hair from the face and the bikini areas. Now, as a man, I am personally using these to remove unwanted hair from around the rim of my ears, and I have been doing that for many years. I really like these Parissa wax strips. I think you're going to like them too. To put things in perspective for you, I have looked into the ingredients on multiple brands of wax strips, and Parissa came out to be one of the best regarding the ingredients, meaning the ingredients are very simple and it's about as natural as wax strips come. So let's go ahead and take a close look of what's inside the box and the ingredients, and after I'll show you a before and after of my ears after using these strips, and I'll also explain how to use these strips. So first of all, here's what the wax strips look like, and how you use them is you can either do like I do and warm them up slightly with a hairdryer, or you can just rub them in your hands like this and get them a little bit warm, and then you separate the two pieces. So you separate the ends, and if you ever have any trouble opening it up like I am right now, you can just cut off the very edge with the scissors and it will peel right apart. Then you have the wax strip, which is here, and for example, although I do it to my ears, I'll show you. Let's say that my hair is growing this way. I lay it down so that it's smooth out this way towards the direction of the hair, and then you're going to hold the skin taut and pull like that. So you'll pull not up but straight this way, for example, and that's how you remove the hair. Let's just say that my hair is growing this way. I lay it down in that direction, and then I hold this part of my skin right here and I rip directly this way. I'm sure that makes sense, but there are instructions in here, so be sure to read those. So let's go ahead and open up the box. And you can see you've got some detailed instructions that tell you everything that you need to know. And you've got your strips in here. There are multiple strips. So you can see here that it says that there are 16 of them, which is 8 times 2, because they are together like I showed you, and you pull them apart. And also comes with your azuling oil. And when I first saw this stuff, I thought it was totally unnatural, but the azuling comes from the chamomile flower extract, and that is what gives it the color. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the ingredients of both the strips here and the azuling oil. So let's go ahead and take a look at that right now. Just to give you some perspective about the ingredients, Parissa makes natural hair removal wax kits for different parts of the body, and this particular kit is good for the face and the bikini area. So this is what Parissa says about their all natural ingredients. Even the backing on the strip is made from eco-friendly cellulose, so it breaks down in the environment. It says we only use the good stuff. Parissa's ingredients are safe, gentle, and from natural, sustainable sources like tree resin, cane sugar, beeswax, vegetable oils, and plant extracts. So the actual wax strips have glycerol rosinate, ricinus communis seed oil, Serra alba. So glycerol rosinate is simply pine resin, ricinus communis seed oil is just castor oil, and Serra alba is just beeswax. So now let's get to the ingredients of the azuling oil, which is right here. So the azuling oil is made from isopropyl myristate, and that is a mix of isopropyl alcohol and myristic acid. The myristic acid is a common naturally occurring fatty acid. Second ingredient is D-alpha tocopherol, and D-alpha tocopherol is the natural form of vitamin E, and then azuling, and azuling is an essential oil derived from chamomile, and that is what gives it the color, as I was saying. And then the menthol is plant derived. So those are all of the ingredients. Now, the azuling oil is for using on the area that you waxed after you waxed it, and the reason for that is because if you don't use it, there's going to be a little bit of a sticky residue of the wax that won't come off just from soap for at least probably a day or so, meaning maybe after a shower or two. So this will remove that very quickly so you don't have that residue left on the place where you waxed. So now that you've seen the wax strips and the azuling oil, why don't we go ahead and just take a look of before and after on the rims of my ears where I remove some hair. So here's a close-up of the ears before using the Parissa wax strips. You can see the little hairs on there. Here's the ears up close after using the Parissa wax strips on them. So now you've learned something about Parissa wax strips. You've seen my before and after pictures. And to reiterate, I've looked into the ingredients of a lot of different wax strips. And so far, Parissa has made the highest quality product that I've been able to find. If you've found something you like better than Parissa, please let me know in the comments section. So I hope you liked my review of the Parissa Face and Bikini Quick and Easy Wax Strips. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. Also, if you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description to purchase. Thank you so much for watching.